igebengu zamanje azisezi zifaka ama mask igebengu zamanje zizayifaka ama makeup ihleka njengawe zishaya isimali njengawe ziphile nawe kunabangani ukuthi abangamind ukuthi kudliwe imali yakho kodwa eyabo bona ngeke izithinto abekho abantu abasafari emhlabeni
sure
njengabantu abanenhliziyo ezinhle
emba but kunabantu abaza kithi hayi ngoba besithanda kodwa ngoba belambile and kunento abayifunayo basutha basikhombisa ama true colors uthenga ukudla ungithengele cold drink ungigibeze unakho
viewers at home this is the good heart I was telling you about ngomabunda
indlela okhomenta ngayo irepresenta ikhaya ophuma kini and irepresenta ukuthi ubuye ekhaya elinjani yema kunemindeni enormalize impi akupheli 2 weeks ungalwanga
and with friends and also friends
sure
whereby niyazi esikimini bawu4
sure
bonke labantu bawu3 bayazi kunemvana kaThixo la siphephela kuyona
bayamyuza yini ngayibona bhuti abekho abantu abathanda ukuthi can I see the manager kuma day leyo muntu angeke azabhadale naleyo bill
that is why bhuti kunabazali abalayo ingane zabo ukuthi zishade thina siye sicabanga ukuthi umona kanti uyamazi ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Bafethu, welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. As always Bafethu, angikho ngedwa. I'm always with my brother, my friend Sbuda the Buddha. Sbuda.
Mabunda mfethu grand.
Ngimnandi ndoda.
Hayi no ngiyajabula ma right. Sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. We are live. Back namhlanje nginayi Blue Monday
anayi Blue Monday esibudime ngine Blue Monday ngiyakisi Blue Monday in fact like yo iflu yangibulala mfethu iflu ngikhombisa amahololo so yes sangazi but maybe angidla ama orange kakhulu I don't know why but man yangishaya akwashaya le flu mfethu ehamba nekhanda
le ibhlungu kakhulu but ibhlungu kakhulu masiceda la ushaya igrain babo
ngizawuzama yona angisho since vele wathi ngoba sinabazali kumele sishoot Spanish asinabo baba we need to work extra hard bafethu sina connection ye family yabona so we trying ukuthi push and
as much as we can
and get out of the wood yabona
ibhlungu
yabona uzomunya comment ngama mic we
as long as izwakala enye
so this is why we need to shoot as much as we can so that Facebook uyolenduzana YouTube yabona abona la majida yapusha they are committed yabona asibagaye something yabona so grand maraput
no putting ngimnandi man mfethu angakubona ukubi uNkulunkulu usenami ngiyabonga nje ukuthi we are back on Real Talk and the last episode ngibonile na yapusha no siyabonga kakhulu bafethu for ama comment siyabonga kakhulu bafethu for nje ku like and to subscribe so as we said ukuthi nje isifiso sethu is to grow in this channel so siyabonga kakhulu
no man puti you know like I'm glad that the community is growing and it shows that this podcast has an impact as long as kunabantu that are returning and watching that try to watch the show it shows that everything it's coming all right but ever had a friend that you noticed ukuthi yazini lo mjida ngiyamthanda ne and ngiyamfrostana ezumngane but are you toxic man have you ever been in a position whereby you are surrounded by friends abakhombisa iside lobu toxicity yabona man no man you're not good for me and as much as I love you as a friend but I think it distance between us it will do better because the more ngiba close now mangiphuma from you mangisuka kuwe ngedepressed ngiba drain ngizwa kwangathi useless yabona have you ever had such a friends or a friend who was toxic and you noticed that no this person is toxic because that's what I want us to talk about today, at least
okay. To be honest with you, but I've never been on that, but Real Talk has taught me ukuthi at some point it's good ukuthi ube seyicathule nzomunye umuntu and feel, okay, as much as kunamanye ama situations they were a little bit closer to that situation, but I've never been, but I can relate. You understand? And nenye into I discovered about that thing, it's so painful, man. It's so painful because at the end of the day usukumthanda lo muntu and angeke kube umngani nomuntu ungamthandi. You understand? So ibhlungu lento bhuti, I won't lie to you, and into ngizoyitetela into engishaya about this thing ukuthi the more lokuhlala naye, the more lokuzisondeza, is the more drained, is the more mfethu ufila pain. So at some point it's better for you ukuthi uzihlukanise nomuntu njalo.
Would you say the friend owakushayela ndoda wakumroho ekadini yakho, would you say he was toxic? Or maybe when you analyze that situation you'd notice that no, maybe inkinga it wasn't umjita, it was the girl. So I wanted to know, because I want us to talk about toxic friends, because Angas, was the guy toxic, or maybe you think the girl was the problem since we are of melee?
Since we are there, then let's just dive deep. But let me just say it. It's funny enough because ubafo walala naye lo Cherry, ngakaze ngalala naye. Sengishile. That's how painful it was. I've never bengakaze ngalala naye yabona nani, but ubafo wangifikela kuqala esithelweni. You understand? So I can say ubafo he was a good friend in most of the things. But into angenza yaba bhlungu kakhulu, iflop yashaya kakhulu ile. Sengishile.
So hayi ngikuzwile. Because but we live in a generation but whereby abangani they can allow you to suffer, and some of them they can allow you to make bad decisions as much as there's something that they are benefiting from you. And as if it makes sense, you are making wrong decisions. Your decisions that you are making are wrong. But because of the fact ukuthi siya benefita kuwe, singafuni ukukureprimenda or show you to say ebafo le ma decision wathathayo ayabheda. Kunomngane mfethu ona usurrounded abangane ne ene akalala ekhaya, imali yakhe uspend etshwaleni, imali yakhe, like he's literally making bad decisions. But abangani bakhe, because they are toxic friends, they do not want to reprimand him, bamfake endleleni to say endod, do not live like umuntu or normal. Do not live like anaxas. Do not live like you don't have family. Do not live like abafuni ukukhombisa indlela simply because of siyasaba utsakutshela iqiniso, maybe ngeke usasithengela utshwala. Sakutshela iqiniso, maybe we are not going to give us lento esifunayo. Because of toxic friends are friends that do not want to tell you the truth even if it hurts.
Okay, but I'm lost. Toxic friends. Akusi abangana ababhedayo.
Yibo ababhedayo.
Then multi-toxic friends yet bakutshela iqiniso, or wena bakutshela iqiniso usuba regard as toxic.
Bona but
okay,
balance. I think balance. Let me repeat my statement. Abagaze bakutshela iqiniso.
Okay,
they are assuming that uma singakutshela iqiniso we're gonna lose 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay,
so for the sake of them not to lose lento abacabanga ngathi bazoyiluza ngokutshela wena iqiniso, but decide ukungakutshela iqiniso.
Okay,
angazi if it makes sense. So kusho ukuthi abangani abangalisho iqiniso
ngendaba ukuthi
babalekela ama benefits la wathola kuwe. Angazi if it makes sense. I don't know. I will now on the same page.
No.
To say toxic friends friends that influence ama decisions wakho ubone ukuthi no man this guy is toxic simply because of iqiniso angitsheli lona. Hey, let's say we are cheater. Do you think a friend that doesn't warn you that what you're doing is wrong
is toxic ngalokho? Ukuthi putile kamera u toxic nasesilungu man.
Okay, bad friends.
Yeah.
I guess it's bad friends to put it normal in your level mngani wami. Okay. Bad friends.
Now put ukuthi for me bad friends ne?
Sure. Okay, how do you define toxic on your own understanding?
Okay, okay, sengiyayibona. A bad friend it's someone okuyeka wenza into ebhedayo, akusupport
lento ebhedayo. Yeah. So those people are also regarded as
bad.
Toxic.
Okay.
Because of into toxic but into bulala it's like a poison.
Poison. Oh.
Yeah.
Now it makes okushuthi once you do something phambi kwabo wrong ephuma endleleni bangakukhulu. They are bad friends.
They are bad friends.
But now one thing I want to know ke bhuti ukuthi bona benza kahle on their side. Yeah, because angisho bakiyeka wena ukuthi wenza into ebad. So bona they are doing the same thing that you are doing or bona bayenza.
Uthola ukuthi bona they are doing very well.
Ayo Satan. Yeah.
Uthola ukuthi bona they are doing. Uthola ukuthi but someone does not mind you losing their relationship but they don't want to lose theirs.
Yeah, no Satan, but
yeah. So I want us to address such friends that are toxic, friends abangeke bakulethele direction in direction. Yeah.
Okay. So now come back to that question.
Sure.
Ukuthi ubafo lo wenza lento wabeka toxic.
Yeah.
Besides this scandal, the guy was not toxic. No. Beside that one. But hear me out mfethu.
Sure.
Ukuthi umuntu akakwenzanga into embi kwamanje akushintsha ukuthi akekho mubi.
What do you mean?
Okay, ubafo beka grand kumina mfethu besi right besi grand sipusha angifisela izinto ezinhle nani you understand abengakayenzi lento that time but shoti yayikhona into ngaphakathi kuyena ukuthi ngizomenza dirty lo baba. That's why ngithi mina kunabantu abazokwenza kahle manje akusho ukuthi ngeke baze bakumosha. Abanye benzela abanye benza kahle manje for kuyokumosha le khona phambili. You understand? So at some point mina lento ngisho ukuthi umuntu right manje akusho ukuthi uzoba right kufana kuma relationship kunabanye abantu they will pretend like they love you la kucaleni kanti ekugcineni akushintsheke ifana nalento ukuthi hayi ngamthola right ngamthola umuntu olungile but along the way wangijikela buti igebengu zamanje azisezi zifaka ama mask igebengu zamanje zizayifaka ama makeup ihleka njengawe zishaya isimali njengawe ziphile nawe but along the way bese bayayiveza ukuthi bangobani. Inkinga yethu siyitshela ukuthi igebengu zigcoke a certain things bona ngathi ayigebengu kanti hayi mabundu umuntu uyeza ngegama ukuthi ngiyakuthanda umuntu uyeza ngegama lokuthi emfethu nginawe ngihamba nawe. It's a practical example. Look at Judas. Judas mfethu bekadla no Jesu uJudas bekaphila no Jesu but ubani umbetrayal
same Judas. So okusho ukuthi ke abo Judas but they don't mind selling you for something. So you know like it's amazing but Mauti like most people that are bad they don't come wearing that mask that reveal that they are bad. Do you know ukuthi but kunabantu mfethu abazofika empilweni yakho kwangathi banama intentions are right and they only have bad intentions.
Yeah.
Do you think Puti I want us ukuthi sindlule to say do you think ukuthi umuntu yakhona ukuba nabangani abam encourageayo ukunganakekeli family yakhe?
Yeah, abanye they might not tell you but with actions they will tell you. Ifana nalento ukuthi ube nomngani Mabunda uyakubona unambhede uyakubona mfethu ukuthi la uhlala khona ku Cochrane.
Sure.
Yet you are working and every weekend nibhubhudla imali yakhe.
Yo.
And into engishawe esinayo.
Sure.
Lo muntu ababhubhudla imali yakhe.
Sure.
Uma eseshayekile ethi bafethu ngicane ngizame. They are not there. So kunabantu abangeke baze bakutshele bhuti.
Sure.
But ngezenzo bazokutshela. You understand?
Sure.
So kwalokuthi nje uthi usebenza babe there when you've got something but mawusengana lutho nani. Kanti a good friend uyokutshela ebafo ake wenza 1 2 no 3 no 5 no 6. You understand? So that you may improve your life.
Yo.
So but mina I believe ukuthi abangani basitshela even with their actions.
You know when you're saying that unkhombisa ukuthi kunabangani buti abangamind ukuthi kudliwe imali yakho kodwa eyabo bona ngeke izithinto ngamanye amagama eyabo it always has something that needs to be done ngayo. So ngamane sispende eyakho if khona ama out khona la kose siyokhona you gonna use your own money but mawuzo checka kahle endoda endlini to have grocery umuntu akona akekho endoda imali yokuspana you know like put him how I so wish ukuthi kwangathi we for example I'll give you a perfect example ngathi as brother and friends their strength that I know I'm good at and their strength that you know that you're good at and as much as we both know each other's strength and each other's weaknesses that means then as a friend it's my responsibility to say hey put I know your weakness is that please cover that before. For example, let's say I know which weakness yakho put ukuthi imali uyayispenda noma kanjani and kuba nesidingo onazo zasendlini irresponsibility yami as a good friend is to tell you to say hey put before you spend imali kulena lo even if noma ngibona nentshisakalo siphumile uthi madoda nayi 200 ngifuna ukuthenga inyama umbuzo uthi endod njengoba uzospanisa le 200 le did you cover imali share did you cover imali transport did you cover as a friend oh as if it makes sense.
No, it makes sense. And another thing Puti, bengilo ngibalekela lento.
Sure.
But let's just go there because ngiyibona ukuthi iyakhona. And now uzo relate kuleyo nto even though mina I'm no longer there. You understand? How nang mabunda shinto ebusweni.
You're no longer there.
Nang mabunda shinto ebusweni. You are no longer there, sir.
Sure.
Puti, me I'm no longer there.
So mean I'm still there.
Yeah, you're still there.
How do you know that I'm still there?
Ukuthi ngiyakwazi.
Okay, it's fine.
And I'm not talking about something that I've never been like I can relate.
Sure.
Hey Puti abekho abantu abasafari emhlabeni.
Sure.
Njengabantu abanenhliziyo ezinhle.
Hey Puti. Yeah. Oh, now I understand. Meaning to say when I was saying
no Puti mina ngise understand le verse lika Jesu.
Sure.
Elithi hlakaniphani njengeinyoka.
Sure.
Nibe mnene njengamajuba.
Sure.
Inkinga yami ngangifana njengejuba. Ukuba nenhliziyo enhle kakhulu ufana njengejuba. And at some point you need to
I hear you.
Because people who have good heart they suffer.
Say that again.
And betraywa inhliziyo yabo. Uthi Puti une 100 rand yokugcina.
Sure.
Umuntu akucele yona.
Sure.
Uzomnikeza for the sake of your heart. Ngoba mawungamnikazanga ngeke uzulale ngeke ube nakuthula.
Yo.
Yokugcina hayi ukuthi awunaso isidingo sayo but unaso but the problem is uma ngeke ngize ngimnike
inhliziyo yami
ngeke ngibe nokuthula ngaphela nenyanga yonke ngingekho right.
Sure.
You understand?
I hear you.
Kanti that's why people abanenhliziyo enhle they suffer in this world and fana with friends and also friends.
Sure.
Whereby niyazi esikimini bawu4
sure.
Bonke labantu bawu3 bayazi kunemvana kaThixo la siphephela kuyona.
Bayamuse.
But
you know when you are saying that Putine to say abantu abanenhliziyo ezinhle they suffer a lot. Honestly speaking I know that and I've experienced that.
Sure.
made me to understand ukuthi uJesu the time azo release a statement esithi when a person amlanda at good teacher waphendula uJesu that no one is good. In reality, if you want to suffer in this life, be good. Good people man uyibeke kahle, good people they suffer. Remember Putin, umuzo uyi1 was Jesus really that good? Aze atshele umuntu wesifazana a whole Jesus athi angeke ngithathe ukudla kwabantwana kunikeza kuzinja and izinja izinja umuntu lo obizwa ngezinja. So meaning to say, Jesus understood that for me to be able, people that I'm called for as these particular people, and these are the people that are supposed to benefit it. So meaning to say, Jesus was literally saying, I'm being selfish with the people that I've chosen. And remember, to say, if you want to live a peaceful life, start by being selfish. What do we mean by being selfish? We mean start by taking care of yourself first. Because what's the use put? Remember put kunabantu abazakithi hayi ngoba besithanda kodwa ngoba belambile and kunento abayifunayo basutha basikhombisa ama true colors. Iyekele lento yakho yokuthi ke uzonakekela wonke umuntu uzobeka wonke umuntu phambili bese wena uzibeke emuva. Good people suffer.
And puthi kunalolu hlobo ke lwabantu nami I've been that type, but by God's grace I've repented and angisayenzi leyo nto. Kunalolu hlobo lwabantu bhuti olukufonela malidinga usizo kuphela ungazi umsizo umuntu uyanyamalala okusho you receive call yakhe makadinga usizo
and you already know
and angeke azakuchecka kubuza right mfethu khamba kanjani. The only time you get ifone yakhe
it's when he needs
when afuna something from you.
I hear you.
Ebute abekho abantu abayingozi njengalabo bantu. But umuntu mfethu maka genuine with you ekuthanda. Umuntu mfethu uzokubuza mfethu right. Umuntu mfethu asidibane endaweni ethize nenze nindibane nibe right nje nibe abangani not abangani but lento ukuthi siba together hey mfethu grand uyingozi umuntu okudinga ngoba adinga isidingo ngoba uma ungamnikezanga isidingo and the worst kunabanye yabona umuntu onjalo ungaze uthi awunayo uyakwatela settlement.
So okusho ukuthi ke for you to check with lo mngane onayo is it a true friend? Ngicela reject ka2 and ubone ukuthi usazokufonela yini. Njengoba azokufonela manje athi ngicela ungisize nga 1 2 3 4 5. So because of put kuya ngokuthi unani the reason back appreciate kunabangani put abazokusebenzisela imoto yakho kunabangani abazokusebenzisela imali yakho kunabangani abazokusebenzisela indlu yakho angazi if it makes sense. So it all depends on what is it that you have and about approach ngalento onayo. But usakhuluma ngalelo hlobo kunalo hlobo labangani elingacabangelani. Meaning to say siplana a trip and oftentimes yibo laba bathanda ukuza nama trips. Siplana a trip yokuthi no we're gonna be taking a trip. Let's say from here we're gonna be going to Emperor's Palace or whatsoever place let's be saying. Guess what? Angeke ba contribute ku petrol. Angeke ba contribute ku mali yokuthenga ukudla. You gonna be responsible to say as a person you gonna buy food, you gonna buy car. So they ba contribute. But for example, it's simple lento. Kunezinye zezinto bafethu akosanga size sizikhuluma. For example, man, normally it's a norm to us to say okay, let's say we are deciding to say no, asihambe sePitori. You'd often say, "Put don't worry, I'll take care imali yokuya." Automatically, to me, it should tell me that if Upute says, "I will take care imali yokuya," that means yokuya it's on me. Anyakchela put. Kunalo hlobo ozothi I'll take care yokuya. Uyibambe makose nibuye ibheka le imambani. Mayekubona ukhipha imali, ufuna ukuchecka manguthi no. Will this guy handle the bill? Ufuna ukucheck lalela. Ngisho noma ungayi restaurant. Ukhipha ipass lo mfo ashawa inhliziyo ukuthi I didn't contribute.
yo
uyakuyeka ukhipha imali ubhadala itaxi ngamabomu aloke azi ukuthi mfethu it's better nalo communicator mfethu anginayo kunalo ozothula mangu akubona uhandle yokuya nokubuya
ebuthi kunomuntu oza ne-idea wena bese uyayisponsor
we have those kind of friends mangu who will come up with the idea, come up with the plan to say hey mfethu let's go sir. For example, obviously mangu I'll give this thing a practical example.
Sure.
If I come to you ngumjita or as a friend ngithe ngifuna siyodla inyama, I said what?
Siyodla inyama,
meaning to say the minute I suggest ukuthi siyodla inyama, what does
uzoyibhadalela le nyama ngoba idea is now.
But then we have those kind of people that say asambe siyodla inyama, then I expect wena ochiliweyo ubhadala.
And enye into but it better lento when let's say it okay asambe sendaweni ethize.
Sure.
Relax about everything.
Sure.
I will pay.
Sure.
None.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Ingcono ukuthi okay it's fine. As much as uba fashilo ukuthi uzonakekela u1 2 no 3 no 5
sure.
Yeah then unga relaxa.
Sure.
Uvela uthule.
Mara puti noma kungathiwa unga relaxa.
But at least but you told me.
Puti if I said that I'm going to handle everything.
Yeah.
I need to find a way to contribute towards lento siyenzayo. It's wrong. It's perfect. No, let me ngizonitshela lento ngizonitshela. It's unethical and it's wrong. Ukuthi kucontributiwe. Unga contributing ngalutho.
But let's say
unakho.
Okay, but mauna.
Yeah.
Oh, then
it's understandable when you do not have.
Oh.
We understand no. But unakho. But noma kungathiwa okay fine. Noma kuthiwa anginakho. I need to find a way to contribute towards the siyenza. For example, if I know ukuthi sonke sithenge ukudla, let me at least angiwashi indishi to show ukuthi
yeah.
How do you become comfortable to eat, drink, and not have any form of contribution?
Noma unda kushiyana ngonembeza la. Let's be real, kushiyana ngonembeza. But there's one thing singabantu asifani.
Sure.
Kunomuntu othi mawungathi wena kuyena.
Sure.
Emfethu ngizonakekela yonke into.
Sure.
You understand? When you relax. Kunomuntu bese wena uba nalento ukuthi uthi uzokhipha. Kunomunye uyithatha lento ngathi disrespect. Mawuzothi hayi mfethu bengiyazi bowushile kodwa bamba so. You understand?
Yeah.
That's why ngithi it default personalities. But njengoba ngisho Mabunda kuya ngokonembeza wakho ukuthi ukhahlela ukufika
but wakadibana nabantu abangalanyembeza.
Yeah. Abakhona but
how do you handle such people?
Bakhona.
Udila kanjani?
But here's the thing, Fred. It with understanding and to know good lo muntu ubuyaphi. There are people who are like that. Yeah, understanding and knowing good okay ubuye endaweni esona nani.
Understanding my food.
Yeah.
No man. No, but no, like seriously, tell me as a human being, how do you enjoy something that you know that you didn't contribute?
That is why, but I'm telling you, it kuya.
But mina kuyangishaya mango, kuyangishaya ukuthi mango you can handle the whole setup. Even if kuthiwa ke anginakho mango. Uthenga ukudla. Ungithengele i-cold drink.
Sure.
Ungigibeze. Unakho.
Viewers at home, this is the good heart I was telling you about ngomabunda. This is the kind.
No.
Yeah, but I understand that little put as people as fun mfethu kunabanye abantu. That's why indlela umuntu akhuliswa ngayo I find that is why Puti I won't lie to you. We have people who are called bullies.
Sure.
Umuntu oyibully.
Sure.
Umunga tracer asiye la akhuliswe khona ukhuliswe ngobani bese kuba khona abantwana abakhuliswe kahle esikolweni they become victims kuma bullies because yana uba nalento ukuthi no mina nkosanga ngiphatha umkhero or iskaftin kuyofika umntana akazibanibani eclassini nanani ngizomthathela even in our times esibadala bakhona abantu abangama bullies on social media but how can you comment kumuntu ongamazi ukuthi uhlalaphi ongamazi ukuthi uhamba ngani awukaze wakhuluma naye ushaya content lo muntu wena ukhuluma nonsense ucomment something so bad these are bullies kunabanye abantu wena babona into enhle kubona babona into abangalwa nayo kunabantu ukuthi mababona into enhle bona babona into compliment abathatha inspiration from that thing so it simply tells ukuthi singabantu sikhulile singaka it counts ukuthi ukhuliswe kanjani we can blame abantwana blame abantu that's why kunomuntu omdala ona 45 he's a bull or she's a bull on social media why because of indlela akhuliswe ngayo
so ebafethu okusho ukuthi ke ngizoyisho ke abangishaya indlela okhomenta ngayo irepresenta ikhaya ophuma kini and irepresenta ukuthi ubuye ekhaya nelinjani ngamanye amagama before uzocomment lento oyibhalayo lapho ukhumbula ngeke sibone wena siyobona umzali
wakho
so kusho ukuthi lama comment la ukhomenta nje sithi kubhekile nje sifunda icomments wanda ukhuliswe ngibani lo
ngifuna ukuthi iseBhayibhelini mabondo there's a war kwaIsrael and kuno Goliath uGoliath udelela impi yakwa Israel uthi show me a man who's strong ungalwa nami Goliath was big in size nangani then iyadraga lempi njalo lo mfo uyashow up and bakwa Israel bathuka amasoja they are scared ubani ozolana lo mshita lo nalesikora lesi yadraga uDavid a small boy nakhona uthunywa ubaba wakhe and remember ubhuti baka David they were part of the soldiers ebebasaba ukulwa noGoliath uyomixa iskaftin makamikisa iskaftin uthola lapha yana hawu nangu umfilist uGoliath yabo in the middle of that uyabona ukuthi usabisa impi kaNkuluNkulu abantu bakaNkuluNkulu uDavid uyabuza ukuthi ongalwa nalo uzotholana yabo I fine abamchazela uzothola umntana enkosi nanande benefit now uDavid emasaqeda ukuncoba uGoliath uSaul inkosi iyabuza owabani lo mfana wakuphi uzalwa ubani why uDavid encoba anga entertain ukuncoba kodwa check ikhaya labo uyakhona yezisele okusho ukuthi umuntu makenza into ethize sibheka ikhaya ukuthi usuke kukhaya elinjani ngeke inkosi entertain ukuthi unqobile nanana ubani ozalele indodana le so that ngizobona ukuthi okay so but same as applies mfethu it counts noma ukuthi ushada umuntu onjani ubuye ekhaya elinjani that is why but kunabazali abalayo ingane zabo ukuthi zishadwe thina siye sicabanga ukuthi umona kanti uyamazi ukuthi umuntu onjani nina nimbona usisemuhle emekahle pakile namahips nayo yonke into nimangale why umndeni ulwe ukuthi ashade why because they know ukuthi ingane yethu uma kuthiwa ishada nawe ndodana ufile ungashadela ukudivorce naye lo muntu usilwa ngezitshwa naye la ekhaya lo muntu ubuye ebusuku la ekhaya lo muntu usenza in why because mabu ikhaya matters even nensizwa ukuthi ikhulele kuphi ivelaphi check uma umuntu wesifazana uvela kuphi lo ngoba senokwenzeka ukushaya nje bekashaya unina amzalayo ngoba mabunda ngikhulumile uma ekwazi ukushaya uma wakhe wena uzoshada nawe yini ukuphitsiza uyoba intuthwana so kunabantu bhuti sablanda uthando safuna ukushada nabo safuna ukuthatha ama decision nabo sanga check ukuthi uvelaphi lo
so meaning to say mango ingakho kudala uma ufuna intombi abazali bebabuza ukuthi wakabo bani lo So mina ngithi indaba ye family, indaba yokuthi wakuphi, indaba yokuthi wakhulisa kanjani, it plays a huge role. How I so wish one day we can have a topic la ku Real Talk whereby we discuss indaba yokubaleka yokuchecka ukuthi umuntu uvele ekhaya nelinjani, because of honestly speaking history yomuntu has a way of affecting ama behaviors wakhe na kuma relationship. Do you know but kunabantu but ababona abazali babo ba divorce bathatha inspiration ukuthi umama udivorceile, bangafuni ukuchecka ukuthi on what grounds did my mom divorce. Ayenze lento aqabanga ngathi I divorce it's a good thing, athi noma sekashada athi mina ngiyaphuma noma kwenze njani, kanti ama factors ukuthi ukhuliswe kanjani abalulekile, ukuthi yini into wayibona uma ukhula, what type of role models did you have when you're growing up, because of either way man kunabafazi mfethu abangafuni ukutshelwa. Usibuze wangafuna ukuchaka mina indoda ngiyayishaka, usibuze uyayishaka kanti into abona umzali wakhe ayenza.
Yazi bhuti kufana nalabo sisi laba ngathi abosisi.
Sure.
Do you know bhuti ukuthi kunabantu kunama couples
sure
whereby mabecabana le ndoda olo muntu wesifazana
sure
between one of them
sure
shaya inhlamba
yo
amthuke from his way to get off
sure
ambize ngayo yonke inhlamba and uma ungathatha ukubheka wayethuka unina esakhula, and also uke wayibona lento hint ukuthi uma athuka uma wakhe wayitshela ukuthi hayi maka nami uzoshintsha, kanti there's no such thing.
Yo
but mina I only understand now lento zama date.
Sure.
As much as abantu bezifihla, but at some point ku date khona into ephutshukayo.
Sure.
Ubona i red flag.
Red flag le yeah.
Uyabona nje nalokuthi uthi unomuntu ni ku date, obvious kuba khona umuntu onsevayo.
Sure.
Indlela amtreata ngayo lo omsevayo, into enza into encane, iphuthe elincane, amthuka amtshela indaba zakhe, leso sikhathi nisazama ukuthandana, ucabanga ukuthi wena ungcono ngani ukuthi ngeke azakuthuke senithandana uma kwazi ukuthuka umuntu angamazi amsevayo la.
Yo
uweta wenza into encane.
Yo but afuthi
uyalandela
and you know yini ngingayibona but abekho abantu abathanda ukuthi can I see the manager kuma date leyo muntu angeke azabhadale naleyo bill
awuphine but
no but being honest umuntu umuza can I see the manager, can I see what you check lo sis lona bill it's not on him when as a guy you are calm but athithe kwangathi uye ozokhipha imali anga understand isimo somunye umuntu to say but this person has been serving since from Excel ngabo 9 ngabo 6 uyenza these people are frustrated umthuke uzokwangathi ufila special what can I see the man, can I see the man for a smaller nyana mistake into that can be understood. It matters ukuthi umuntu uphatha abantu kangakanani ubaphatha kanjani because of unezinto mango thina kini singabonakala as normal but kithi ngaphandle sibona le ayikho normal so inhlamba kini it's a normal thing. You can just say the F word anyhow.
As but I'm sorry but I have to say this thing.
Say it sir.
Kunabosisi I do understand them now as we are talking.
Sure.
Kunabosisi mabunda abapendiwe. Bakhulunywa kabi.
Sure.
Ukuthi wayathatha abantwana wangavumela indoda yakhe.
Sure.
Ukuthi bene access ebantwaneni.
Sure.
Kanti usisi uyamazi ukuthi how dangerous is this man.
Sure.
Even to our kids.
Sure. I hear you.
Uyangizwa bhuti. And the time basathandana ungathothi kwaba ne scenario washaya ingane yakhe wacishwa ibulala.
Sure.
Besa thandana. Yayisalena. To a point ukuthi now sebahlukene akafuni ukuthi basondele hayi ngoba a toxic. It's because u protect abantwana bakhe because umbonile lo wesilisa ukuthi how dangerous is he phezu kwengane.
Can I add on that?
Sure.
Abanye babonile ama akhaya walabo bantu to say if ngavumela umntwana nami ayokukhuliswa ile family angithandi le product azoba yiyo ngoba sometimes mvangeli namajidana akhona angafuni ukuthi umama athathe i-custody yomntwana simply because of uyabona the type of family is the family. You get what I'm saying? Uthola ukuthi umjida akekho akanankingi but ifamily yakhe ama cultures wabo ama practices wabo i-lifestyle yabo yema kunemindeni enormalize impi akupheli 2 weeks ungalwanga ayikho into ukuthi asihlale phansi sicazulule indaba kunama families mango whereby akuna structure between umuntu omdala nomuntu omncane everyone talks the way athanda ngakhona kanti and when you look at those things and then you understand to say what's gonna happen the day I marry a person who's from that particular family yini abantwana bam abayoyifunda kule family ngoba sometimes mango it matters directly or indirectly ukuthi i-culture ne-lifestyle family injani ukuthi abantwana kunabantwana bethu abangezwa abangalaleli usibuza ukuthi where lies the problem umuntu omncane ukhuluma nomuntu omdala kwangathi intanga and mango I understand but it's un-African to find umntwana omncane abiza umuntu omdala ngegama in some families it's normal and normal in particular way ukuthi it's not a good thing but in a disrespectful way akusanayo that position to say lo mdala lo mncane lo mdala ukhuluma nalo mncane kwangathi umncane lo mncane chaos nje kuphela
hlangahlangenye
mangu
futhi scoop manje sivale this is deep man yo
aya sicede
zithi no hambeni no bafowethu real talk with amadoda Nyasumuza. I don't know Mabunda, there's more.
I know
asisambe kakhulu. Yeah, but no, thank you so much bafowethu. Real talk with amadoda Nyasumuza. Siyacela bafowethu kulabo nje abashoyo nje ukuthi bafowethu ba commentayo. Nga-comment ukuthi yini into esingayithinta si dive deep kuyona ngalokuhlakanipha uNkulunkulu asinikeze khona. And thank you so much for those who are subscribing and kulabo nje abafuna just to donate and to give or to sponsor. Nayi number 064 6200 751 iyona ki number ye Capitec le and siyabonga bafowethu.
Blessed night.
Amen.